Hi, this is Ryan James with Liberty Adjusters. In some of my previous videos, I talked about your duties after loss. And one of those is to mitigate additional damage. And when you have a plumbing leak, that can be very difficult to stop. If you're unable to stop the leak at the source, you're going to want to come out to the street and find your valve box. And by using one of these devices, which costs about $10 at Home Depot or Lowe's, you can turn off the water to your house. I suggest everybody has one of these, just like they have a fire extinguisher. You're going to want to open the valve box cover to turn the water off. Let me show you how to do that. This is your valve box. In this particular case, it's clear, but it may be under grass or debris, so you might have to look for it and clear that away. If it's hard to get out, you might even need a screwdriver to pry it open. But in this particular case, we can just lift it right up. This is your water main valve, and this is the part that we want to turn off. If you don't have a special tool, you can sometimes turn this off with pliers, but if they've been there for a long time, they can be difficult to turn. You're simply going to want to put the tool over it and you turn it clockwise until it stops. This is simply how you're going to turn off the water to prevent additional damage from occurring when you have a plumbing leak. At this point, you're going to want to call your plumber to come out, and then of course from there, contact Liberty Adjusters so we can help you with your insurance claim.